Hello guys, my name is Khushi Sabre and I am a student of class 9th of Delhi Public Elementary School, Indore. And in today's video, I will tell you about the climate of Nagaland. So let's check it out. Welcome to the tour of Nagaland with me, and my name is Khushi. Nagaland, which is a state of India lying in the hills and mountains of the northeastern part of the country. It is one of the smallest states of the country. In this video, we will talk about the climate of Nagaland. Climate of Nagaland. Nagaland has a monsoon climate. The state enjoys the salubrious climate. Annual rainfall ranges around 70 to 100 inches, concentrated in the months of May to September. Climate of Nagaland in general is controlled by its terrain features. Climate of Nagaland as such is typical of a tropical country with heavy rainfall. Most the heavy rainfall occurs during 4th month, that is June to September. The rain during April to May is low. Humidity levels are generally high through these states. Summer in Dimapur is almost unbearable and the electricity demands rises with every increase in degrees Celsius. The incensed rain generates massive soil erosion, which in turn cut off vital highways. Increasing water levels triggered floods in several regions, and raging rivers have claimed precious lives. The state receives heavy rainfall throughout the year as it is geographically close to the Bay of Bengal. May to September is the monsoon season, where July is the wettest month. The total annual rainfall in Nagaland within the same period is projected to increase statewide. The southern districts of Nagaland are likely to receive higher rainfall as against the northern districts. The southern districts of Kohima and Phek are projected to receive more than 20% increase in rainfall as against the baseline. Just take a look here. These are the graphs of different seasons. One is of summer and second is of winter. According to these weekly graphs of two different seasons, you can see in winter the temperature is between 19 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. It means in the graphs of this particular week of winter, the temperature do not generally drop below 18 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the weekly graph of summer is between 22 degrees Celsius to 19 degrees Celsius. Summer is the shortest season of the state that lasts only for few months. Winter makes an early arrival and bitter cold and dry weather strikes certain regions of the state. When we see the temperature annually, the temperature in winter do not drop below 4 degrees Celsius and the temperature in summer is between 31 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. Let's see how scientists predict the climate. As you know, humans depend on fossil fuels is heating up the planet. Governments and policymakers must take urgent action, and it should be guided by the scientists. This is William Benedict. At the end of the 19th century, he devised formula which linked the flow of heat, water, and air, and 50 years later, his ideas were the basis of the first computer model of the atmosphere. Today's climate models are the highly evolved descendants of the originals, except the computer are some 25 trillion times faster. Here's how it works. Scientists divide the Earth's atmosphere in a grid of hundreds of thousands of cells in stocks like a skyscraper. The model used by the Met Office, Britain's National Weather Service, for example, uses stocks which are 85 cells high. The models then calculate how energy, air, and water vapors flow through each cell over a given period of time. While weather forecasting takes a snapshot of the atmosphere at a given time and predicts that what will happen over the next few days. Climate models consist the atmosphere's behavior over years and years. Greenhouse warming really was likely to be a problem in 21st century. Clouds plays a really important role in climate. As greenhouse gases make the atmosphere warmer, they change the amount of water vapor it can hold. It impacts in cloud coverage depending upon their cloud's form. They can either trap sunlight which warms the planet or reflect it back to its space, cooling it. In 2013, scientists used this method to examine the effect of different climate policies on the future temperature of the planet. The first one looked at what would happen if we continue to use coal. The second, if there was continued use of fossil fuels. The third, if there was a much higher uptake of renewable energy. And the fourth, if there is so much increase in the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. आइए अब हम एक कहानी सुनते हैं। यह कहानी एक लड़के की है जो नागालैंड में रहता है। वो दिन मुझे आज भी याद है। बहुत दिनों से भारी बारिश हो रही थी, जैसे कि हर साल होती है। मैं अपने परिवार के साथ छुट्टियां बिताने आया था। 20 दिसंबर 2018 की वो सुबह दिल दहला देने वाली थी। मेरा परिवार सिबू में रहता था, जो कि नागालैंड का एक शहर है। सुबह के करीब 5:45 बजे थे। तभी माँ ने आवाज़ दी, ले बेटा चाय पी ले। मैंने जैसे ही वो चाय का कप अपने मुंह से लगाना चाहा, मेरी आंखों के सामने अंधेरा सा छा गया। करीब 2 घंटे बाद मुझे जब होश आया, तब तक मेरे अपने मुझसे कोसों दूर जा चुके थे। पूरे शहर में बस चीखें सुनाई दे रही थी, और इन सबका कारण जमीन का वो हिस्सा था जो एक पहाड़ पर से नीचे गिर गया था और उसने एक तबाही का रूप ले लिया था। बहुत अधिक बारिश के कारण ये हुआ था। हर जगह बस रोने की आवाज़ें सुनकर मुझसे रहा नहीं गया, और अपनों को खोने के बाद दुख से मेरी आंखें नम हो गई। उस तबाही ने 78 लोगों की जान ले ली, 18 लोगों को घायल कर दिया और 5 लोग आज भी गुमशुदा हैं। लोगों का दुख देखकर अपना दुख को कुछ नहीं मानकर मैंने मदद की। शायद इसलिए ऊपर वाले ने मुझे उस दिन बख्शा। आज भी वह पल याद करके रोना आता है। This story teaches us how to face the difficulty in our life. Many people lost their family, but they helped each other. The landslide was caused by heavy rainfall. As I previously told you, climate of Nagaland as such is typical of a tropical country with heavy rainfall. Let's read out a beautiful poem, and the name of the poem is Unite O Naga, Unite in Everlasting Future. The sun has set, blazing down the oceans. Here at the end of the earth, I dream of a land I walked. I dream of the promises talked. I remember the ones that taught me how to walk and stand up and see. I dream of Nagalim. I see now ever more clearly of a people I hold so dear, where I once sang free, where I could be me. Naga, I call, hold my hand before I fall. I pray for one day in this world, lift your hands and stand tall. A day is coming when all the tribes shall unite and blow the horn of joy, every girl and boy. A day is coming when all the tears are gone, over will be the days when there was a morn. Clap your hands, sing without fear. Freedom, freedom is coming so dear. Thousand upon thousands stand before God's throne in the light. The head fought the good fight to bring day into the dark night. Naga tribes unite. This beautiful poem teaches us that unity is strength. Many peoples lost their family in the landslide, but Naga people handle it with their strength. At last, I would like to say a biggest thank you to watch this video.